Okay, so now we have all the pieces cut and we can work on assembling it. So it's gonna go something like, I got my numbers, that's 4 and this is 4. It's not the most ideal surface, but this is what we got. So this joint is quite simple. This is what we're building.
Ooh.
And so we have our 90-degree corner that I was telling you about at the very beginning. And what's gonna hold this joint is glue.
Glue.
Glue, and then this back should fit nicely in our groove. It doesn't. I'll adjust that. I wonder why it doesn't. Something don't look square. Do you know how to check square?
No, I don't.
This is how you check square. So my boardy board isn't square. Well, you could use your square, but you can also check diagonal. So I'm going to measure from one point to another. And if it's square meaning perfectly 90-degree
90-degree angles, right? Not a square. Yeah, you're talking about 90-degree angle.
Correct. So that's 20 3/4. That's 20 9/16. So something's off. I did make a cut over here. I didn't check my square, so that's an important thing to do. So we can use our square again and see. I can see right now that mark there.
Yeah.
That's out.
So
that's okay. I'll adjust that later.
Okay.
But just so you know. And then how we're gonna assemble this is it's gonna be glue and tape. So how I would do it is...
What kind of glue, Jen?
Wood glue.
Wood glue, not crazy glue, not white children's glue.
We've been gluing wood together for a long time.
Yes.
And so the manufacturers have figured out how to make really good wood glue. Nice. On here it says 35,000 pounds, kilograms, PSI. And so often if you glue something together, like if I were to glue these two pieces together and clamp it and let the glue set and then break it, it would more likely break along the grain than it would the glue joint.
Whoa, wow.
So wood glue, these day and ages, is amazing. Back when they made it out of hooves and bones and hides, it wasn't as good. But now we got good stuff, so we can use it. Okay, so how you do this joint is you've got two pieces, nice and flat, nice and tight, and then you take your tape, and we're gonna put two pieces here.
And this is just masking tape, right?
Yep. Really any tape will work. If it's too sticky, like if you use that tuck tape, once you peel it off, it'll probably peel some wood grain.
Oh yeah.
So that's how we're gonna do it, and then you flip it over. You would do all of them together in a row.
Right.
And then you're gonna flip it over, and then you add your wood glue, and then bring it up like this.
Oh.
All together. That's your nice joint, and it creates like a nice finished edge. You can see your grain match that you had here, and you're not seeing any end grain, and that's what's nice about this miter joint with the 45 degrees.
Amazing!
So
Yay!
there it is, and you'll see the finished product at some point.
Woohoo! Thanks, Jen!
Thanks for listening. I hope it helps. I hope it empowers you to use some power tools and feel more confident in creating something fun for yourself.
Woohoo!